everyone, welcome to the third birthday party of Crackzat. Well, I'm very happy today, and as I said in my post, that I will be giving you people the first 17 entries, whatever you wish, I'll try to give you that valid ones. So, yes, I've got more than 17, of course, which I'll try to merge some of them and try to accommodate all of you. The people asking for resources, mocks, wo sab ke liye bhi you check your DM, okay? And most importantly, I'll also try to do the things which you asked for, like a marathon of videos or stuff like that. Bilkul mil jayenge. I'll make sure that I'll do that. The purpose of recording this video is not just to celebrate the third anniversary or birthday of this channel, but more importantly to tell you that when I started this channel, there was very less hope of reaching these numbers also, which I've reached right now. But I know the only reason why I am able to do and continue doing what I am doing is because of your love and support, and definitely the hard work and the determination I'm putting into it. I know that I am not born with a silver spoon, तो मैं actually अपना सारा काम धंधा छोड़ के एक चैनल के पीछे नहीं बैठ सकती. But at the same time, the amount of leisure time I get from the other stuff I do, I dedicate it to Crackzat, and that's why in 3 years we are able to reach these numbers. And I'm surely confident that you people will surely help me in reaching much higher numbers as well. बट यू नो टारगेट एक ही था इस चैनल का पहले भी और अभी भी, that I really want to help those aspirants who have less information, less guidance, or any sort of gap in their preparation journey. आपकी इसी गैप को पूरा करने के लिए क्रैकजैट हमेशा पूरे दिल से आपके साथ खड़ा है. So make sure you also support me back by the love which you're showing me right now. And हाँ, एक चीज याद रखना, the one thing which you can learn from these 3 years of journey of Crackzat is that no matter how many failures and setbacks you come across, एक चीज आपको हमेशा focused रखेगी, motivated रखेगी, and that is your love for your goal. So इसे सिर्फ एक एग्जाम मत समझो, जिस भी एग्जाम के लिए आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, be it CAT, ZAT or any other entrance exam, उसे अपना पैशन बना लो, उसे कुछ ऐसा बना लो जिसके बिना आपको लगे कि आपको रात में अच्छे से नींद नहीं आती. एंड आई कैन रियली टेल यू आउट ऑफ माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस दैट ये डेफिनेटली काम करेगा. मेरे लिए इसने काम किया है, डिफरेंट डोमेन्स में किया है, तो आपके लिए भी श्योरली काम करेगा. सो मेक श्योर दैट आप आज से, मैं तो आपको सब कुछ दे दूंगी, प्लानर दे दूंगी, रिसोर्सेज दे दूंगी. आप पर्सनली मुझसे बात करना चाहते हो तो उसका भी मीडियम मैंने आपको दे रखा है. बट द क्वेश्चन इज दैट आप मेरी बोली हुई बात मानोगे, क्या उसे पूरे दिन फॉलो कर पाओगे? So this is what I want to tell you people, that after watching this video, talk to yourself and ask yourself that do you really want to do this? Only if the answer is a strong yes from your antar atma, then go for it, because only then you will be able to crack it, and only then you will be able to make the most out of it. Because you know what, सिर्फ एक एग्जाम क्रैक करना आपका लाइफ का एम नहीं है, उसको यूज करके लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना और जो आप अल्टीमेटली चाहते हो वो पाना लाइफ का एम है. तो अगर आप उसको आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हो, उस डोमेन में आगे चलकर काम करना चाहते हो, तो इस बड़े लाइफ के डिसीजन को लेना, अदरवाइज इट्स अ गुड टाइम टू स्टॉप. सो विद दिस अगेन a very happy birthday to Crackzat, and let's meet back in the coming videos. Till then, take care, study hard, and love you all.